So let's go ahead and take a look at the operation and maintenance on the Sensor S212 HEPA upright vacuum. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and check the condition of the cord. If you see any cuts or any exposed wires, it's a good idea to go ahead and report that immediately to your supervisor. Now the next thing I want you to do is go ahead and check your bag. Now the reason why I want you to do that is because it's important to remember that the bag actually works off of airflow. Now once you've done all that, I want you to go ahead and lower the handle, turn the unit on, and simply adjust the brush height accordingly. Now to maintain the Karcher Group Sensor S2, very simple as well. Again, the first thing we want to do is go ahead and start with the cord and work our way down. So again, on the cord, make sure there's no rips, tears, or exposed wires. And again, if you do see anything like that, please report that immediately to your supervisor. Next thing we want to do is go ahead and check the condition of the bag. Now, although we have you do it on the daily operation side of it as well, it's a good idea to go ahead and try to catch it now since we're already where the bags are. Now, when you're looking at the brush strip, make sure there's not a bunch of hair and everything else wrapped around it. If there is, simply just go ahead and cut that off. The next thing I want you to look at is the length of the brush strip. The reason why that's important is it has to be sticking outside the brush housing to contact the carpet so we have good brush agitation. The easiest way to check that is take a credit card, simply slide it across the brush housing, and make sure it actually contacts the brush strip. If it does, your brush strip is good. If we have no contact, it's time to replace your brush strip. Next, we're going to make sure there's no clogs in either the hose or the trap door down below. Last but not least, wipe down the unit. That way it looks presentable next time you use it.